Today, I'm going to show you how to add a payment gateway in Wix step by step in a simple and relaxing way. First, log into your Wix account and click on your avatar in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Next, go to Payment Methods. Here, you can see all the options available to accept payments on your website. Click Add a Payment Method. You'll be asked to enter your invoice details, such as your business information and payment preferences. After entering your details, click Continue to PayPal or the payment gateway of your choice, depending on what you want to use. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account securely. Once everything is set up, make sure to save your changes. And there you have it. Your Wix website is now ready to accept payments online. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.